morning, you guys. It's grass-fed patty time and some other things, so I thought I'd share with you. You know, I take these grass-fed packets, cut them in 4, and fry them in that pan. And I probably do 4 minutes aside, take them out, put them in a container, and have 4 meals. And someone will say, is this your lunch or your dinner? Whatever one I feel like having. It could be the chicken patties for lunch, it could be a burger for dinner, or vice versa. Patty, I just really cut it in 4 squares, pop it in, the skillet is hot, and these are delicious. I make them rare. I'm going to put a timer for 4 minutes and make them, I would say rare, because what happens is when I put them in the container, remember I reheat these. So then when I reheat them, they're actually perfect. And then I get my Omaha steak seasoning or Montreal, whatever one I have open. And there's no grease. There's like, I do buy the lean one. That's it. Let that go for 4 minutes. While that's cooking, this was the saddest looking grapefruit I bought the other day. Yesterday. I'm cutting her in half. I'm making breakfast. So, if you don't have a grapefruit knife, this is a Rada grapefruit knife. That's how I eat my grapefruit. I sit and just literally go down the wedges. I love grapefruit. I eat my little wedge, just like that. When they're all done, I squeeze the juice in my mouth. With this, in this Temptations cup, which is lidded, I love it, I'm going to make cream of wheat. Cream of wheat, no glasses. So my kids were on the WIC program when they were little. This is super high in iron. I'm making nothing because I have the spouts closed. So 1 serving is 1/4 a cup. I'm making 2. Yep, and I will eat 2. And that's it. That's the end of that box. I have a new box. Cream of wheat, high iron. Now, I don't do it like the rest of the world, and I don't like it like the rest of the world. I put a little water in, I stir it around. It doesn't look like anything but a wet mess. I want it thick and lumpy. I put it in the microwave. 2 minutes. So, I can't read this, but I think it says it's 9 grams of protein, so double that. 18 grams of protein is in that. If I put whole milk in, which I can't take iron when you take your calcium. It's like Tums are my calcium, and I have to have calcium every day. So you can't take your iron, you can't eat your iron with your calcium. So I can't put whole milk in that. Otherwise it makes the iron not absorb into your body. I can have vitamin C, which helps it absorb into my body. This is a lot to remember. So each day as a bariatric patient, I have to have 2 Tums. I take those at a certain time. In the morning, at 4 o'clock in the morning, when I wake up to go to the bathroom, I take my thyroid medicine. When I come back, go back to sleep, hopefully. Then when I wake up, I take my multi-bariatric vitamin, and then go back to sleep. You can't drink coffee with your iron. So I have my 2 cups of coffee, and then I wait, hour and a half. Then I eat an iron fortified breakfast with vitamin C, which is my cream of wheat today, and this, and I might have some blueberries, depending on how much room I have left. What did I do? Oh, I went and got 2 bowls, or 2 cups. I don't know. Then, in the afternoon, I take my calcium. Like, say, after lunch, I'll have 2 Tums, 2 fiber gummies, and a zinc. I am low in zinc. I take a zinc supplement. Then that's between lunch and dinner. I started, like a week and a half ago, because I'm all done with any milk, calcium products, or coffee, taking my iron pill and my, everything's going off. The burgers have to be flipped. So cream of wheat is done. I've been taking my iron at night before bed because I'm not having coffee and I'm not having any more milk products. So whether it's going to help or not, we're going to know in 6 weeks. I just flipped the burger. Sorry, I should have showed you. 6 weeks from now, I get blood work redone to see if the iron infusion helps. Try that for a day. In the meantime, let me get my big knife. I try to eat right, exercise, and remember when to take what pills. So, iron and vitamin C at night. I have a vitamin C supplement. I'm cutting up cheese. I had Farmhouse Reserve Cabot and the other part of the Cracker Barrel. If I find myself keeping the cheese all cut up in 1 ounce portions, which, think of a cheese stick, if that really helps me. It might be a little less, but like these are servings, 1 strip. And then this one is probably 1 ounce. But I like to cut her up because I eat it small. I like to eat my cheese with an apple or a banana. That's how I've been doing it. So I can kind of judge an ounce now, but I'm going to put this in a small container, keep it in the fridge so it's ready to go. The more things you do ahead of time, the more your week will be successful. So tell me all your help. Today I got a message from my friend Tracy who said to take blackstrap molasses for iron. Guess what I'm going to do a tablespoon of? Blackstrap molasses, and I have it. Organic kind. Usually I use it for cookies or for gingerbread cake. But today I'm going to have a spoonful, and I'm going to do that maybe with my breakfast. Maybe that'll be the sweetener in my cream of wheat. I don't know. But I am eating that stuff today. If you tell me something and it's a good thing and I look it up to verify that it's a good thing, it's going in. That's just what I'm trying. So 6 weeks from now I go back for blood work to see if all of this worked. Burgers are cooking, my cream of wheat is done, my grapefruit is cut, my cheese is cut to put in a container, and I'm on a roll. So I will keep you going. Have a great day, you guys.